The project is all about empowerment, trying to lessen the effect of the flooding and the siltation in the higher areas on the community lower down. It undermines the bridge, the infrastructure that connects the north to the south, which is quite important. The community is virtually marooned because there's one way in and one way out. When this flood comes in, they have to run for shelter in the higher area and they cannot get out of Margaret Tooth. We've started for the past 2 weeks. We have undertaken the clearing of the areas that we're going to plant the trees. We employed about 20 persons from the community itself, but what we're trying to address here now is some of the negative spin-offs from the banana industry, where you had indiscriminate planting of bananas and the felling of the trees on this side of the river. So that's what we're attempting to redo in our own little way. We have to thank the sponsor of this program, OECS and CRIFT in particular, because it's all about empowerment, that's what it is, and getting down to the grassroots, to the core of the problem. From the bottom up, you have the persons who are affected, they are integrally involved, they own the programs, and they see the importance of it. Again, while we were doing this clearing, it was educational for them, it was agitation. They could have highlighted and seen what obtains here that affects them lower down.